Hey there, my name is Scott and I make video editing tutorials on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and videos on freelancing tips and tricks. I wanted to create this channel as a place to help out inspiring video editors and professional creatives who want to make a living out of their passion like I did. When I was first starting out as a video editor, there weren't a ton of channels that covered topics like this one on how to become a professional freelance video editor. My hope is that this channel becomes the resource that I would have loved to have had when I was just getting started. So if you'd love to join a community of freelance video editors, then you've come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and also hitting the bell notification so you never miss a video. I have multiple playlists on Premiere, Photoshop, and freelancing that will help you get started today. And I'd love to hear your feedback. If you're looking for a particular topic that you don't see a video for, just leave me a comment on any video with your suggestion and I'll see if I can make a video for it. Alright guys, that does it for me. See you in the next video.